Good morning, Kaaruba. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is from our backyard garden. We have this one. They're very nice too. There are lots. And then we have lots of string beans. There you go. This is so expensive here in Canada. So, we're eating fresh foods. Fresh vegetables. Kurang lang titarong. But we have also here the bulbulonges. Here you go. There you go. Ooh, look at that. So we're having food, fresh food tonight. Or later. Yeah, masarap siya. Yay. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, backyard. Thank you. We have a free, fresh vegetable. There. Nagdadakkalan dala kayo. Look. Very big. Oh. There you go. Papa Dupay?